Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create superhero text in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open Canva and either create a new project or open an existing design. From the left side menu, click on Apps. In the search bar, type Typecraft and select the app to open it. Once inside, enter your desired text into the text box. Next, customize the font by selecting Bangers to achieve a bold comic-style look. Change the text color to something vibrant, such as red or blue, to match a superhero theme. Then, go to the Outline section and choose the third outline option. Adjust the thickness to around 2 to make the text stand out clearly. After that, apply a warp effect to give the text a dynamic, action-style appearance. Choose any warp style that fits your design preference. Once done, click Add to Design to place it into your project. That's it for this video. Thanks!